Hello guys, now we are going with the question number 602. It is also a medium type problem. The problem name is find request is friend requested second. Who has the most friend? We have to print which friend have the most friends. Now we have given column name and the type. Column names are requester ID and the acceptor ID and the accepted date. Their types are integers and the accept date is date. Now, what is the question? Write a solution to find the people who have the most friends and the most friends number. We have to print which one have the most friends. The test case are generated so that only the one person has the most friends. So only the one person has the most friend. We have given a request accepted tables, the request ID and the accepted ID. And we have also given a accept date. Kindly check the request ID and the accepted ID. The request ID is 1 and the accept ID is 2. Requested ID 1, the accept ID is 3. 2 also have the 3 and the 3 also 4. You can see here ID 3 have the more friends. So ID 3 must be printed. You can see here explanation also. The person with ID 3 is a friend of pupil 1. See here in the table 1 request ID accepted 3 and 2. 2 also a friend of 3 and 4 also a friend of 3. So so he has the 3 friend in the total, which is the most number than any other. So 3 is printed. So now I am writing a query. See here, select acceptor ID from. Now I am writing a subquery in it. We have to write select first requester acceptor ID from. We have given a table name is requester acceptor. Now here we use the union. Now I am writing select. Here we use the acceptor for ID. Requester acceptor. We given name as a T. Now I'm grouping it. Group by requester and we given a order. We here use a request ID. Basically it's a ID and here we use count. Count as num. Now order by num in descending order and the limit is 1. I am running it. Okay, the table now I'm writing the wrong name here. Request accepted table name. You have to check your table name. If you're not writing the right name, it will give you an error. Case is accepted. Here we use the union. First we have to print a select request ID and the accepted ID from the requested accepted. So first we have to print that table which we have the request ID and the accepted ID. Then afterward we have to print another table which is accepted ID and the requested ID, and we take the union of the both. First we have to print requested ID, then afterward we have to print another also accepted ID which name is given a requested ID. So both is printed, and then afterward we have to take a union. Union means basically we have to take whole the elements. So in which we take all the element, then we use the group by requested ID. We take requested group and we have to print all the values. Then we have to count which have the count is most, then we have to print that. Okay guys, thank you guys. Yeah, I'm going to submit it. You can check here. 12 case is passed. You have to check also our test cases. At different test cases, you must have to submit it. Okay guys, thank you guys.